In the startup world, speed and focus are everything. That's why building a minimum viable product or MVP is such a critical step. In this lesson, we'll explore how to design and launch your MVP to test your idea fast and effectively. An MVP is the most basic version of your product that still delivers value. It's not a half-finished product. It's a focused tool to validate your assumptions with real users. Think of it as a learning vehicle, not a launch pad for perfection. The first step is to identify your product's core value. What's the one thing your solution must do to prove it solves the problem? Strip away every non-essential feature and focus only on what's necessary to test that core function. Your MVP doesn't need to be built with complex tech. It could be a simple website, a no-code app, a slide deck, or even a service delivered manually behind the scenes. What matters is whether users respond to it in a way that shows interest or intent. Once built, put your MVP in front of real users as soon as possible. Track how they interact with it. Are they signing up, coming back, referring others? These are signs of engagement and early product market fit. Listen to feedback carefully, but look at behavior even more. What people do tells you more than what they say. If users aren't engaging, your MVP might be missing the mark. Use what you learn to refine it. Launching an MVP also helps you conserve resources. Instead of investing months of development time, you learn within days or weeks. That speed is your advantage. Ultimately, your MVP is your first real test. It answers a critical question. Are you building something people want? If the answer is yes, you've got the green light to keep building. If not, you've saved yourself time and discovered a better path forward. Let's build smart, move fast, and launch your MVP.